Welcome to Learniverse. Here are 10 amazing facts about water. Universal solvent. Water is often called the universal solvent because it has the ability to dissolve a wide variety of substances, earning it a crucial role in many chemical reactions and biological processes. Density anomaly. Unlike most substances, which become denser as they cool, water reaches its maximum density at around 4 degrees Celsius, 39 degrees Fahrenheit, before becoming less dense as it freezes. This unique property allows ice to float on water, which has significant implications for aquatic ecosystems. Hydrogen bonds. Water molecules are held together by strong hydrogen bonds, which give water its cohesive properties and surface tension. These bonds also contribute to water's ability to absorb large amounts of heat energy, helping to moderate Earth's climate. Life essential. Water is essential for all known forms of life. It serves as a vital component of cells, regulates body temperature, lubricates joints, aids digestion, and transports nutrients and waste throughout the body. 3 states. Water exists naturally in 3 states: solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, water vapor. This versatility allows water to play various roles in Earth's processes, from shaping landscapes through erosion to regulating the climate through the water cycle. Unique properties. Water exhibits several unique properties, including high surface tension, capillary action, and cohesion. These properties are essential for life and have profound impacts on ecosystems, weather patterns, and geological processes. Water cycle. The water cycle, also known as the hydrological cycle, describes the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the Earth. It involves processes such as evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff, redistributing water around the planet. Vital for agriculture. Water is crucial for agriculture, providing hydration for crops and livestock. Irrigation systems, reservoirs, and water management practices help ensure a stable water supply for agriculture, which is essential for food security. Majority of Earth's surface, approximately 71% of the Earth's surface, is covered by water, primarily in the form of oceans, seas, and other bodies of water. This abundance of water plays a critical role in shaping Earth's climate, weather patterns, and ecosystems. Water scarcity. Despite its abundance, access to clean and safe water is a significant global challenge. Water scarcity affects millions of people worldwide, leading to issues such as inadequate sanitation, waterborne diseases, and conflicts over water resources.